for Success.
Hey, this is TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success, and I'm so excited to tell you that we are launching DFS Mentorship. Now the site is up and it's available for you to be able to have access to all the content that we create. We're talking about lessons. We talk about a membership where you can get all the lessons that we create for a low monthly fee. We're talking about tutorials on piano and different instruments. We're talking about behind the scenes talking, knowledge, all these things that help us to be great musicians you now have access to. So make sure you check out the link below and head to dfsmentorship.com because we have some amazing stuff for you. I'm TJ Fisher here with Drums for Success saying make sure you subscribe to DFS Mentorship.
Drums for Success.
I can make a difference. You can make a difference. Hey, we can make a difference. Drums for Success. I can make a difference.